Okay, contestants, here's your mystery item.
What am I supposed to do with this?
If you can't cook, go for Grubhub.
And done.
I think I misunderstood the challenge.
Yeah, I'll lower the music now. Just give me a few seconds. Let me know how that sounds. Should be a lot better now. Teammate. Much better. Okay, perfect. Can you hear me clearly, or is my sound coming out incorrect? That's great. Okay, perfect. Same, I'm just setting up the terminals here. Having trouble starting my npm run dev. Don't worry. I can help you out. Make sure the camera is correct. I'll help you out do that. Okay, let me see how this looks. Correct. Where you at? Sidebar. Yeah, that should be all right for now. List. Okay. Perfect. That's how it is, man. Okay, let's go. Are you mobile? You're in the computer. Oh, you're in the computer. 1 second. Let me check. Let me check mobile feed. Let me bring my phone up. 1 second. Okay, let me just open some projects here. Let's open and see how it looks on mobile. Okay. This looks big enough. So I don't know. I don't want to make it hard for me either to. Okay, let's close this folder. Okay, and let's open up Chrome tab. Or Brave in this case. Okay. Okay. Let's follow through first. Ignore your issue. Let's just try to start a new project. Open up either a new VS Code. Open up a new VS Code or a terminal. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna make it big so you guys can see. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna do Vite. We're gonna do Vite instead of like the regular React search. We're gonna start from the all the way from like from scratch. We'll start. So click and Vite as okay. Here. First, let's look in your on your terminal. Let's look for a folder you wanna go in. So you're gonna have where you at. So where you at, and then you go to your documents, for example. I have it in projects, document projects, and school. I'm gonna do school. I'm gonna do. And the CD stream. Oh, sorry. Where I go to this terminal? How? Where do? How? I mean, you mean how do you get to this terminal? In your VS Code, you can use VS Code and open a new terminal. You can do it like this: terminal, new terminal, or you can run this command: the control. Even if you like use control on the key that is on the left side or the number 1, or you can just do terminal, new terminal, and it's gonna be right here. All right. Gonna be here. Or you can just open to the git bash. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. I just have it through here. Go ahead and let me know once you do it. So once you are in the right folder. So right now I'm in my documents project stream. What I'm gonna build it here. Once you're in the right folder, you can create a folder through a terminal. You can create it like regular. You're gonna do this. Straight up, go to the linked post that you can click there and look it over, or you can just type it in. It's okay. Oh, sorry. So npm create sorry by and latest. It's gonna run the command line tool for Vite. So yeah, you're gonna click yes, enter, project name, you're stuck at your newsletter. Just close your VS Code like here. You click here, file, and then close folder. You're gonna see here a close folder, close everything, and then you open a new terminal. Project name was gonna do Tailwind. Fast UI. Let's just create it like that. Fast UI. You can put whatever you want. UI. Package name fast UI. That's okay. Select one. So we're gonna do React. We're just gonna start with React. If anything, you can share a screenshot. So anything you have on Slack, I have Slack open. So if you want, you can share them with Slack. Okay, I'm gonna choose React, and I'm gonna choose TypeScript. You can choose JavaScript. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose TypeScript. Now it tells you exactly what to do after. Gonna do really fast UI. Perfect. Let me know once you are up to this point. Now it is created, so let's go into it. Cd fast UI, right? And we do code that r use dot, and that will open that folder inside any like the current VS Code that you have open. If no, it's gonna open a new one. So it's up to you, depending how you have it. Open it. There we go. Now I have it open here. Okay. Here's a here's a Vite config file. Everything should work. Now we should install it and test it. You can start doing this from the terminal of VS Code. I'm just gonna do it here for now. But you can do npm. You say TypeScript. No. The name you run whatever name you have. Here, this is the name I put. I just put fast UI. That's the thing they came up with. But you can put anything. And when you say framework, you put React, and the variant you can use JavaScript, because you're not like, if you're not comfortable with TypeScript, just use JavaScript. I don't recommend TypeScript if you're not like, it gives you a lot of errors. That's the thing. TypeScript gels too much. But that's one of the issues. So after you finish this, right, and you do cd into the folder name, you follow this instruction there, and then you do npm install. That is npm I, so it doesn't need to be installed.
And done.
Let's let it run.
I think I misunderstood the challenge.
Oh yeah, but JavaScript. Okay, perfect. Once it's installed, you can do npm run dev, right? This, let me show you why you do that, right? Here in the package, in this file, package junction, you had scripts. That's what you do run. When you click npm run, it runs anything that you put here. For example, you got dev, it just runs Vite. That is the you got an error. Share the error in the Slack and I'll help you out. Just share it quickly and I'll help you out. Okay, so once you click run, you have this. Remember, you have to follow the instruction. You have to go into the folder, correct folder, and then open it. But here, I have it installed, and then I just do npm run dev, and it opens, right? You control click on it. Here we go. You have it installed. Share screenshots on Slack so I can see what our problem is. Here we go. We have a app running. Yeah, you're not in the current folder. You have to open the whatever you install, whatever you run the system. So you have to remember, you have to go in one folder, whatever folder you save your code at, or your projects. Once you go there, you can go through just doing cd, and you put the folder name, and then you keep going. So you're not in the current folder. That's why you don't see anything there. If you want, you can just run back the stream and you're gonna see me doing it. But let me just do this. So right now, you are here. So let me show you. Yeah, right now you're here on your home directory. Yours doesn't say it, but you're in your home. So you have to do cd documents, right? cd documents. And then I have it as projects. I don't know how you have it. Or whatever in whatever part of your computer you save your code, you do projects, right? And then here you run the command npm create bit latest. You do this, right? So once you're there, you create that, and then after you do that, you have to do cd, and not this one, but like you have to do this cd No, sorry, I'm in the wrong folder. Stream here. You do cd and the project name that you put. I put fast UI. Whatever you put, you cd into it. After you cd into it, all you have to do is npm. I'm sorry, code like that. Code minus r dot. What that means is it's gonna open VS Code inside the current whatever VS Code instance you have running, and the dot means this folder, the folder that you're here in that folder, in your project folder. Okay. I'm not doing that because I did it already. Once you open in the right folder in VS Code, you go through the terminal again. You go through a terminal, right? You open up a terminal. Don't do that. This is just my. Okay. You open up a terminal and do npm run dev. What this does is gonna run with npm this script right here. It could be store, it could be whatever you want, but like that's the default that one. That means development. It's gonna run a development server. Okay. Move this. Let me see what do I have it running here? No. So I'm gonna run it npm on dev. Oh, there we go. npm run dev. There we go. It's running now, and it should be open here. There we go. We have it running, right? This is a default project. Okay, I'm gonna set up Tailwind now. Let me just put this black. I don't know why it's like so white. Tailwind doesn't have a black theme. Damn it. Oh, this is not Tailwind. Tailwind CSS.com. This is for Tailwind setup. Okay. Documentation. Here are the Tailwind docs if you want to do them. Let me know if you are up to speed. Okay. Also, let me share this. Let me share this link too. The last link, if you want to access mine, running. So that link, mendes.local.lt, is if you want to open my code. Here, this is if you want to open my version. Okay. Let me just open the sidebar here. Okay, let's ignore that for now. Okay, let's install Tailwind. Let's do stream. Let's see. Okay. 57. Sorry, I'm setting up this correct. There we go. Perfect. Yes, okay. That's the default one. Let's do install Tailwind. Install Tailwind like this. You can copy that. Okay. I'll do through. Okay. You're gonna install Tailwind through here. So npm install Tailwind CSS. There we go. Okay, you're gonna see here. Okay, I don't have a repo. Let's just start a repo. Perfect. Okay, npl Tailwind and then npx Tailwind in it. So npx Tailwind CSS in it. Okay, now we have a Tailwind file, config file. Let's restart the server. Just tell me what part you're incorrect. What part you're stuck at. Just let me know and I'll help you. I'm gonna restart the server. Okay, server's restarted. Tailwind should be working now. Let's do here. Vite React. SubTSX. Class name core button Connors. Here. Let's do class name. And let's do text. Sim for small. Okay, that didn't work. 500. Okay, that's. Oh yeah, I'm not importing the right CSS. Okay. I don't see where you're stuck. The screenshot you sent me, I don't see anything there. 1 second. I want to remove all this CSS. And let's keep going in the Tailwind. If we start by okay, no. I don't know why you're doing CD. You created as project name Vite project. That's the problem. So you have to do CD Vite project. That's why where you run. You didn't change the name. Again, don't copy my code. Understand that. CD is to move into a directory, and project name is how it's named in the folders. So you just do CD project Vite project. You can see on your terminal. Right after an npm create by at latest, it says project name. That's the folder name. So you have to do CD that. Okay. Tailwind is still not working, I believe. Let me see. Oh, I don't have the right terminal here. 1 second. Main. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me see. app.tsx. But React. One second. You have to install it. You haven't installed it. You have to do npmi. You have to install it, and after that you do the npm run. Okay, I have an issue too. Let me see. So here it should be app CSS. Output. Okay.
Okay, contestants, here's your mystery item.
What am I supposed to do with this?
Server CSS.
Cook, go for Grubhub.
And done.
I think I misunderstood the challenge.
Text small. Let's change. I'm just gonna change it to a p tag. Okay, perfect. You got it working. Okay, mine is not working. I want to see why. Where's this index coming from? I have app CSS and index CSS. Okay, here we go. No, remove this. I don't need this. I only need one CSS file. Well, I'm gonna actually just delete the whole file. And in main, we do app. There we go. App CSS. I React. Close it and you open it. Okay, you can go ahead and start. Well, you don't even need to if you don't want to use Tailwind, but I'm just setting up Tailwind to save. Oh, I have the wrong. I have the right. Oh no, I have the right. Inspect. Let me see what's going on here because it's not detecting my. Yeah, it's not detecting Tailwind. Let's see whatever I can follow. If you want to follow Tailwind, you can copy the link and just follow the instruction on here. Here, you can follow those instructions. It's I did exactly how onto like step 1, step 2. Oh, config. So we config. Yep, I think I didn't config this. Might that be the problem? Location. All of the search. Okay, still not working. Oh, we had to do Postgres. Use this guide. No, not the other one. Use this guide. I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, I made a mistake. And this is for Postgres. Okay. Let's copy this content back to here. Okay. Now it should have changed here. Let me make sure. So let's remove this, rename, and let's do post. This is missing the init command. Yes. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, should that work? That should work. Let me know if you got it working. There we go. We got it working. Okay, so the right instructions are this ones. No, the last link I sent you. That's the right instructions for Vite. I'm new to React and things like this, so I'm learning with you. Okay, we have it working already. Perfect. Let me close this one. Let me close that. Let me make sure there's nothing else. Okay, perfect. And if I do test output. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, let me close my terminal. Okay. Here, this is the Tailwind CSS output. You saw how I put here on here text right? If I do text md, meaning large, text large, for example, meaning large, and I save it, you see how automatically adds it to the CSS that is gonna run on the website. Like, it doesn't add everything from Tailwind, it just adds whatever you put here. So I don't need that anymore. Okay, we should be removing this. Let's remove the whole thing. And I'm gonna explain a little bit of the setup now, right? I'm gonna explain it, just give me a second. Let's just do let's just do that. Let me see, right? And we're gonna assign it. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Here, this is what happens to me. Oh, let's see. Go back at the end. So if I do text blue 500, right? Boom, it adds it to the CSS that goes out. This, I removed those already. They're shown here, but like once the products are built, is not gonna show. So this doesn't matter. Like I can really remove that. And let's do 400. Yeah, you can't. Well, you can because it's like running, but once it builds it, it removes anything that you don't actually that you don't need. And actually, let's do app CSS. Let's remove this. I'm having an error. I'm having an issue with my. Okay, I have to close VS Code. There we go. I'm gonna rename this to no, not this one. Post CSS. Let me see. I think it should be post CSS. Source app.ts HTML post CSS. Yeah, well, I don't know why it's not picking up the icon. Okay, and in here we do post. Let's look at section for post CSS. So it's not picking it up, but it's okay. Okay. But it should work. Let's do 100. Text. Okay, it's not working. Oh, I stopped it. Yeah, because I restarted VS Code. Sorry. Import app CSS. Where the hell do I have this? Main TS. Okay, and here I don't need to import this. I don't need this either. We're gonna have a basic setup, like everything clean. I don't want anything. Mine perfect. Here we go. So we're gonna do like a single page application. You're gonna see this. Okay, let me make sure everything is working. Text thread 500. Yeah, everything's working. Okay, so we're gonna have a few folders, and assets is extra. There's no SvelteKit. Oh, sorry, Lego. I didn't change the name from Twitch. This is React. Yeah, I'm helping out classmate doing some getting more comfortable with React and Vite, switching out of from like starting with Tailwind CSS and things like that. It's the same as I was doing with Svelte, but I'm doing React because that's what we're doing on our class. Let me go ahead and change the name from here on in the stream. 1 second. Oh, I'm not locking, damn it. I have to 1 second. I have to put the code and everything. It's not SvelteKit, yeah. Oh. Come on. Sir. I'm changing it right now. Come on. We should just give me up a bunch of stuff. Right. Okay. Let me copy this. Done. I just changed the name. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go back to it. Perfect. Okay, let's go back to it. So this is the basic setup. Asset is for any public files. New folder, we're gonna do components. The same as we have for final projects. We have the components folder, and we're gonna have a views folder. The views is the pages. Views is the pages. Every component capitalized, every view not capitalized. That's how I do it. It's up to you. It works anyway, so it's up to you. Okay, I just have they come from Svelte, and I do just Svelte works like that. Okay, let's create our main app layout. The app is gonna be a width of screen, meaning let me just remove everything so I can use. Okay, width screen. Screen. Like, so let me make sure this is correct. Just press enter. Yes. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay. Let me show background. We're gonna use our workflow. Let me turn. Yeah, so you guys can see everything on the screen. Okay, we have width screen, height screen, meaning the width is gonna be all like everything, and the height is gonna be everything. And we're gonna also use hit everything. We don't want anything because we're not gonna have anything on this app. This app is gonna be mainly layout, so it's gonna be mainly instead of just a page, we're doing like a single page application. Okay, let's remove everything from here. Flex item center. Oh, I forgot I had the war wrap on. Okay. But well, let me know if you are following through. If you have any issues, let me know. Okay, let's do. Sorry, I'm not used to this war wrap thing. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Welcome by Yags. Do Excel. That's it. Up to the screen name now. Let me use say what I did. Do you have Tailwind setup? Just let me know that if you have Tailwind setup, because if no, like there's no need for anything else. Let me know if you have Tailwind setup. Okay, here we have the app. I don't like the back and forth purple. Let's do no. You can test it. Just do background and whatever color, and that's it, and check if it works. Tailwind colors. Let me see. I'm gonna look for a color. Blue always looks good, but it's too overused. I think I'm gonna use violet. Violet 100. Violet 300. Mm, 200 fine. Should be fine. 100. I don't like this. Let's do blue 200. That's it. Indigo. Indigo. Let's do 50%. That's it. I like that one. I just want it white, but don't like not too white. Okay, perfect. Yep, you see? Okay, perfect. Then it's working. So after that, all you have to do is, okay, if it's working, it's working. But here in main, make sure you're inputting app.postcss, and you rename your app.css to app.postcss, because if we since we install postcss, like this, just like a framework CSS that you have more options. Like you can do comments and you can do a lot more stuff with post CSS. As you can do regular CSS, but it has more features on it. So I use that. And if you want to write CSS, you can write it straight through here. If not, you can use your regular Tailwind classes. Okay. So we have a layout here. So if we create, let's do this 1 second. This is this. Let me show you something. If we create a bunch of them, right? Our app doesn't go over the screen. Like there's no scroll bar, nothing. Because I have it set to hidden overflow. So it hides everything that is in there. Let me go back. Let's go back. Perfect. Okay. Again, this is will be mainly layout, but let's start doing a few stuff. let's go back to our view. So we're gonna create a new view, right? And this is gonna be our home. I do TSX, you do JSX. If you're doing JavaScript, you guys do JSX. If you're doing TypeScript, TSX. Okay. You're gonna create a function, nothing to import. Return. Oh, I did return home, sorry. Let me make sure home. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, of course. And then let's do export it. Perfect. Let me close this out. Let me close the terminal out. This is home. Perfect. Let's go back here. So this is what I mean. We're gonna do layout base. So now, if I do import and do home from views, and I use it here instead of this H1, we get home here, right? So this is how we build all layout. This is gonna be all layout file. Okay, we don't even now we're gonna go to main because we're gonna create routing for it. So let's go ahead and install routing. Let me see 1 second. We are 18. Yeah, we have. If you get stuck or anything, type it in. I'll help you out. React. Review to our example, grading, writing, picking early. Again, this there's many ways to do it. I'm gonna do browser order probably. Okay, wrote it. Tutorial. Let's look for it. npm install. We are already done. Here, all I need is this. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna install that. Now we have it. React router here, and on our app, not on main. Here is where the routing stuff will go through. This is for routing. Main app, it will be for layout, and views is the actual pages. That's how I'm gonna do it. Okay, in main, one second. What the hell's going on here? Wait, this is 1 second. I have an issue here in my computer. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I thought I had an issue. Couldn't see. Where we at? Yeah, there we go. We're gonna do the routing from here, from main TSX. How we do that? Okay, we have import React DOM. Let's do routing. So I think we can do it through here. So we're gonna remove this fix mode. We don't need that. We're gonna do browser router, and instead of browser router, I'm gonna do router as router. Same here. Peter, yes, save it. That still works. We're gonna also import roads and route. Here you go. So inside router we do routes and then route here. That's how we do a route. Obviously it's still everything working. So this is the router. Here list of routes, and here's the routes, right? The good thing about this is we can introduce, like for example, ID, right? We can introduce this ID. Yeah, let's put an ID 5, right? And in home we can take why is not suggestion? Use params, yeah, right? And here we're gonna do const ID. There we go, it does it automatically, right? And here home, and let's do ID home 5. Boom, we can have this already. So we're having taking things from the URL to put it on there, so we're passing data through there. There's other ways to do it. This is just one way to pick out different products and stuff like that. Like you can send a product ID, things like that. We're gonna remove that because I don't need that for now. Let's do something fun. No, let's not get into that. I was gonna do languages right now. Okay, I'm gonna just comment it out in case I need it in the future. Okay, let's make sure. Go back. So we have here routes. We're ready to start adding stuff on our layout. Okay. First, in components, let's create a new folder, car navigation. This is where we're gonna create everything from our navigations. In navigation, let's create a new file. We're gonna navbar. That JSX if you're using JavaScript. And here we create our navigation. Let's do the same function. Navbar, there we go. I don't need anything here. Last name. Yeah, I don't need that because we are using. So nav, let's do with a full, meaning it's gonna take the full size of the parent element, which will be screen, like will be screen size. We're gonna do flex. We're gonna do justify around. Justify around with full justify around, and a background of indigo 200 and a height of 32 pixels for now. Let's just close that and let's import the links. Well, let me just close this first. And let me import link. I can just do it through here. Okay, perfect. And now let's go to a layout. 1 second. Sorry. Come on. This is smaller equals. Okay, perfect. Okay, we have this, and then let's add it to our layout. The router is finished for now. We don't need to do anything here. Home is fine, and here, this is our layout. So everything goes inside here. Let's do our navigation bar here. Here we go, nav bar. The outer imports it, and then just close it. This is our nav bar. But let's of course do it here. Okay, 1 second. All we have to do is do overflow inflex. Item centers. Justify gate swing. Actually, no, we don't need to justify anything here. Because it's the main layout, we cannot pass down CSS from the main layout all the way back down to the pages. We have to let the pages decide how are we going to, how are they gonna style themselves. Let's go. Okay, now we have the navbar right there, right? Perfect. And in order to remove this navbar here, justify run. We only have one. Let's create multiple. Okay, you see how it already stays on the bottom. We're gonna do remove the height. Okay, let's add a padding to it. px. Let's do a padding, not px, just like padding. 20 pixels. Nah, 20 is too much. Or no. So that's fine. Padding is fine. We need 3 elements. We need menu on the right, log on the left, links on the center. So let's see if there's, I'm gonna use 3 links. If this is the one element, all we have to do is put it here and then do flex. That's it. Oh, all right. Do flex. Flex and just items. Gonna center like this, and then we add a gap. I think 5 will be okay. Yeah, 5 is perfect. Okay, we're gonna add a log. Oh, we're gonna hit it on mobile and md flex. Okay, now we're gonna add the logo. We can do mg.
Okay, contestants, here's your mystery item.
What am I supposed to do with this?
That's too big, so let's do
And
pixum that
I think I misunderstood the challenge.
photos slash id 5. I'm gonna do 75 by 75. It's a little bit big, but do 60. Do 60 here. Oh yeah, I have a class name here. What size we have here? not hovering over it. Just 64 pixels. 64. Let's do 64 here. But actually I want a little smaller. Thing. That's it. Okay, that's perfect. 64. Now we need a third element. Okay, we need a third element that will be the menu. That will be the menu. It will be these links once it's on mobile. So the menu, we're gonna do it the same way I did it once. We're gonna do SvelteKit. So div with a class flex. No, this is gonna be the container first. Oh, well, let's just, let me think. I'm gonna do a button because this is the icon first. So I'm gonna do a button with 3 divs on the bottom. Each div is gonna be with a height of 1, a width of 6, width of 6. We're gonna put them black background. Background black, and let's multiply that by 3. Okay. Okay, perfect. And here we do flex. Oh, sorry. Last name. We do flex. We're gonna do call. Flex call. A gap of 1. Gap of 1, perfect. Let's see 5. It's in center. Do this. There we go. Center. Let's change here for Indigo. Let's do 900. I don't like that, so let's do slate 700. Looks better. Smaller. This one's gonna be with the 4. Okay, I'm gonna do text. Oh no. And you see fire, right? You see fire end. And items end. So this fire, I can remove it. Items end. Okay. Should be good enough. With let's do 10. Let's see what's going on here. If you have any questions, just ask. If you're stuck, let me know. Okay, 1 second. Yes, too big. Let's do 8. 8 on here. Let's do 8 is with full. And here 1/2. One half, nope. 2/3. That's perfect. Gap, let's do level 2. Looks a little more prefer it that way. Let me see if I remove the rounded one does anything. No, rounded is okay. Okay, perfect. Let me just look for a random logo. Just create a random logo here. We'll build in fast. My tag is called fast UI slice fast fast UI. That's it. Be right back. No, come on. I want that. So we just gonna pick something here. I think this one looks good enough. This one looks good. Come on. Yeah, no. So I need to. 1 second, let me see if I remember. No. Click continue with Facebook. Okay, we're downloading, guys. We created a logo. What do we have here? PNG. No vector file. Damn it. No, I need a vector file. Let's do phone asset. I want a vector file. Icons, free icons. 6. FU. Fast UI? No, but FU. Let's look for an F. F. Is that it? Whoa, we can use this F. So I copy this via code. You can do this the same. Here you can free icons. Here's one Asom's icons. Okay, let's here. Where you at? This is too low. Okay, let's remove this. Oh, damn it. Okay, that's how that looks. Okay, that's perfect. And let's do class. What we have it as 14. 10. 8. Oh no, hate, we hate. 14. 10. Just good enough. That logo, and we need a U. Something that looks like a U. Come on. I'm gonna give you time to catch up. Looking for you. I'm gonna get this. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Let's enclose it. I have to, but this is fine for now. Okay. So height 8. Okay. So gap of 2. 65 in. Oh. Items. 10. FU. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now if we do hover, fast. Fast. Fast UI. That's the other one. Okay. Now we do this group. And do group. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Block. Perfect. Let's do the same with here. So the same here. Yes, yeah, perfect. I just needed to go. View. Text height. Let's do 10 here. A few. Okay. Looks a little better. And all we have to do now filter. I don't remember how to do that, but that's fine. So let's see this. Bell. Make sure this. This right, 500. Okay, perfect. I'm not do that. I'm not gonna test rank 500. I don't. I'll change the colors. Oh. Where's the one here? This that for now. Okay. Copy your own thing. Okay, perfect. That's you. Okay, the color. Next. All right. Next, let's see what we have here. No. Let's use the red to blue. Oh. And paste it on the wrong place. That's fine. Oh, we got. Yeah. Let's add a transition to it. Let's copy that. Oh, of course, this why I hated translation won't work, I believe. Ooh, I know how to fix it, but it's gonna take a long time. How to make the animation and everything, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna I'm gonna take a break. And well, let me just finish this one because I need to use the rest of everything. Okay, we have the logo here. Let me state. Say server react. Oh, you state. Yeah. Use effect. Okay. So here. No, it's smaller. So let's do. It's open. It's open. Perfect. And the button, where you at? Click. We're gonna do. Okay, there we go. And let's log it out too. Oh, and I'm gonna log it just in case. Oh, I can do that different way. Log. There we go. That's what I wanted. Let's look at the log console. Yeah, I have an error. No. Yeah. True. Yeah, whenever it changes. It's all I keep working out. I haven't worked on it. I had to do a lot of logics today and didn't work in actual UI. Did just a few UX fixes, so I didn't work on anything that I require. But I will try it out. It's pretty cool. Like I love it. They have so much stuff. I already made it. I already made for you. Okay, so I have a logo. I have a FPU logo that I just made. I have a menu that we can start using it. So here, let's do this. Oh, there we go. Oh, where's the button? Where you at? Where you at? This is the button. Yeah. Okay, so what we do here is pretty simple. We add this. We add this. Oh yeah, it has to be concatenated, so we have to do this. God damn it. This has to be like this. Same here. Get confusing. I'm used to do Tailwind, and I don't need any of this to make it work. Okay, there we go. And now here we do this. It's open. The hell? Oh, because I have it here too. Damn it. See you Monday. See you Monday. So we do is open. We do this. Right? And then you go to here. So the only thing we're doing here, if it's open, we're gonna apply this class. If it's not, we're gonna apply this class, right? So if it's open, I want the one on the top to do a, how would I say, I want to rotate it. So I want to rotate the one on the top and the one on the bottom. Rotate on 145, and in the bottom I need it to be negative. Here, you see? Now we have to translate x3, I believe should be, no, y3, of course negative, the one on the bottom, same with the one on the top. Y3, oh, 6. There we have the X, and the one on the middle we're gonna do with it is opacity 0. That's it. And then we're gonna do transition all for now. Duration 200. I'm gonna copy this. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna paste it here and here. There we go. Okay, we have a knob bar done. I'm gonna finish the setup. So if you go bigger, it has the menu on the bottom. It's allowed to go on, but I'm gonna just finish the stream. What time is it? 8:53. Yeah, it's been streamed for a little bit already. Let me set up the home. Of course, we're gonna do a width of, oh sorry, last name, width of full and a height of full. We're gonna should reflex text center, text middle, text the hell, text center. Oh yeah, I don't want to use flex or anything. Great. Second. Now we go. That's it. I just want that to tell the center. And we're gonna copy the logo. but I don't want a hidden. Recover block. That's it. I don't need anything else for now. This should be done. Okay, so we're gonna end it right there. The setup is fully complete. We have a simple navbar. We have a simple navbar. We have a layout file. We have also a routing file. So we're gonna do routes, layout, and the pages, right? This is the home page and the components here. And any file, we're gonna have it here. That's it for today. Let's commit, of course. Okay, we have everything. Oh, and we have a logo too. We got everything. Let's add everything here to say changes. Commit. Let's see. Let's still put it. Okay. Done. It's published and everything if you guys want to see it. Okay. Have a good night, everyone. Leaving right now. The engine screen doesn't have it empty. Yep. Well, goodbye.